back to Life Princess with Pallavi. We have been doing a lot of fun behind the scenes. I took you guys behind the scenes of a play I did. We went behind the scenes of one of my ad shoots. We went all the way to Mumbai to see my life as an actor over there, all the daily struggles, going for meetings, going for IFA, meeting all the stars. So that was a whole lot of fun. But a lot of you spoke about auditions and you wanted to know how actors actually get their work. So today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm just starting out like this because I'm going to go get ready for an audition, and I thought let me take you along on that. Show you how I get ready for auditions, what we go there and do. And I hope you like this video. I hope it will be informative for you. Give this video a big thumbs up please. Subscribe to my channel. Agar abhi tak nahi kiya hai to please kar do, and hit that bell icon. And best part, Diwali is just around the corner and we're all getting ready for parties and all. So I'm going to start this video with a little bit of a skincare and makeup tutorial. So that's what I do for my auditions, and that's exactly what you can do for your shoots and what you can do for your parties as well. No shoots for you on Diwali, but yes, lots and lots of Diwali parties coming up hopefully. So let's just get ready and go for the audition. Chaliye. Okay, so let's start getting ready. First thing first is you have to clean your face. I use a 3-in-1 cleanser from Philosophy, so that's a cleanser, toner, moisturizer all in one, or you can use them all separately. After that, I've recently started using this new thing, which I'm still trying, so I'll let you know how I feel about this. It's a vitamin C suspension from The Ordinary, so that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to use this as a little base because I've ended up with some dark spots, so I'm just using this to lighten them. Okay, then comes my sunscreen. I usually use a Lotus SPF 40 because that's a tinted sunscreen. So I don't like to use too much makeup product. So I use that, but I've run out, so I'm using an SPF 30. Next up comes my primer. I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready Primer. So just a bit of that. And what this essentially does is just creates a layer between your makeup and your skin, because if you're using a lot of makeup, then you need to really protect your skin, and also it helps your makeup last longer. Okay, so all sorts of prep is now done. We move on to step 1 for me, which is concealer. I use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is usually really thick. It's quite heavy, but because I have to do my makeup for shoots and auditions, so I need something with good coverage. So this is what I use. Just squeeze it out. It's easily available on Amazon, Nykaa, all of that. Also, just a tip, I usually sort of soak my blender in water. Not really soak, like I hold it under a running tap and I just squeeze it and then turn the tap off and then just squeeze out all the excess. That is good for blending and it doesn't destroy your blender too much, even though that's what happened with my beauty blender. We're done, and now we move on to the base. Currently I'm using a Bobbi brown. This is shade number 3, and I usually try not to use a lot of foundation, so just like 2 pumps maybe. And what I usually like to do is just go dot around my face. Okay, so that's blended in. And now because I'm using cream contour, so I'm going to do that before I head on to the powder. And this is the Cover FX contour kit. What you want to do is just follow your cheekbones, so just find the end of it here, and that's exactly where you want to put your contour. And I also do a little bit on the sides of my nose just to make it a little sharper, and then jawline. And then you blend. That's good enough. And then just some transparent loose powder to seal it all in. And that's it. The base is complete, and now we move on to the eyes and the cheeks and the lips and all of that. These are my 2 eyeshadow palettes. I picked these up from Copenhagen. These are really nice. The brand is called W7, and obviously I've finished up a lot of the shades. I'm quickly going to get started. These are things that you can just follow with any shade for all your Diwali party needs. So I'm just going to go start with the pink, obviously, because getting ready for a wedding sequence, and just sort of take that all over my lid. Then I'm going to pick up a gold sort of shade and just highlight the central part of the lid. This is essentially what you can just pick up for all your Diwali party or any party that you need to get ready for, and you can just do this with a variety of colors. Essentially one color on your entire lid, a little bit of highlight in the center, dark smoky edges, and highlight just under the brow. So now I'm going in for a darker shade for the contouring of the eyelids, and then the lightest shade goes right under my brow. Highlight. Okay, got all my colors on, and now blend. If you want, actually for like weddings and stuff, you can even just take a little bit of a really shiny sparkly color and just get it in the inner corners. It just makes your eye look a lot brighter. So just a tad bit, not much. See, that makes so much of a difference. Okay, and now we just blend. Eye makeup does not have to be intimidating, it is as simple as that. Now we move on to something that I do find very intimidating, and that is eyeliner. Here's my pro tip. When you think you've kind of got it almost okay, please put your eyeliner away, because you're never going to stop and you're going to end up screwing it up. So just when you think it's half decent, just stop. Just really just stop. Okay, kajal. And now I'm just going to do a really light coat of mascara. I don't want it to be too much. By the way, this is my backup mascara. The one I usually use these days and I really like is the one by Wet n Wild. So you can try that out. It's with Lash Fibers, but right now it's with somebody else. So just using my backup. And now before I head on to my cheeks, just going to put in a bit of lip balm. This is one that I use right now from Chopa. Okay, so just a bit of lip balm. Give it some time. Some blush on. Now for some highlight. So the highlighter I'm currently obsessing on these days is this one from BECCA, and it's from the Chloe and Malika BFF collection. Face done, eyes done, and now lips. Usually I don't like wearing dark lip colors. I'm actually more of a lip balm person. Did I say that? I don't know. Yes. My latest crush is this one by Shambor. It's the Orosa Butter Lipstick. It's very nice, very natural, very smooth. But because I'm going for this audition where it's a big wedding sequence, so I'm going to use a darker one. This is a Bobbi brown, and the shade is called Sheer. All my lip colors look pretty much the same, but this is like the darkest I use. Okay, I think we're ready to go now. Let's go look for my clothes first. Makeup is done. So makeup is done. Now I need to quickly choose my outfit for the audition. This is my pitara of Indian clothes. It helps if you're a newly married person, because like I said, for this audition I need to wear a very heavy lehenga. So let's look. Okay, we'll do it towards some other day. Right now I just need to quickly get ready for work. So let's choose a lehenga. Okay, let's quickly go now. So for auditions, we actually have to carry our clothes on our own, our jewelry, our accessories, shoes, everything. So my car comes in really handy, and right now I'm driving on my way to the audition. And yeah, obviously I took so much time getting ready that now I'm stuck in traffic. I've gotta go now. So I'm finally heading down to the studio for my audition. Okay, and finishing touches, I've got changed into my lehenga for the audition, and just the final touches. And then Come. We go into the audition room where, let's see, that's Aman. He's going to brief me on what to do. Look at his cool look. And now Aman will brief me on the character, the situation, and then we'll do the audition. So sit quietly and watch. Okay. The audition process for those 2 minutes, I spent 40 minutes getting ready, an hour driving down, and that's it. So we just did a couple of takes, we got some variations, and that's it. So now the state will go to the production house, we'll show it to the clients, they'll go through it, they'll see if they like it, and they'll get back, negotiate, sort out the dates, and hopefully we'll do the ad. That's it guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope this gave you a nice